Hello everyone! Let's design and animate a beautiful splash screen logo in Figma, perfect for your next app or project. Alright, I've already prepared all the assets. First, let's take a mobile frame and name it 1. I'll change its color to purple. Next, grab the text tool and type MOOT. For this text, I'm using the Honest font, black weight, and font size 40. Now place this text inside the frame. We'll remove the double O from the word. Then, right-click on the text and apply an outline stroke. Next, ungroup the letter M and letter T. Now, create a new 40 by 40 pixel frame and set its corner radius to 5. Resize the M and T so they fit perfectly inside this frame. Place this frame beside and below the M. For the header, draw a 50 pixel height shape. This helps us maintain proper margin spacing. Keep 4 pixels of space between every object of the logo so that it looks clean and balanced inside the frame. Now, copy or cut the image and place different images inside both frames. Adjust the image sizes to match the frames. Set the image opacity to 0 and change their position mode to scale. And that's it. Our first screen is ready. Now just copy the frame and paste it beside the original one. Now, let's adjust the frames. That means the letter O. Increase the size of one frame upward and the other one downward, just like this. Then, set the image opacity back to 100% so both images become fully visible. Next, double-click on the letter M, select the top dot, and drag it upward to increase its height. Do the same for the letter T. Double-click on it, select the 2 bottom dots, and drag them downward to extend the shape. After that, select frame 2 and paste it beside the first one. Now, double-click on the letter M, select the side dot, and drag it towards the left to increase its width. Keep a 20 pixel margin. Next, increase the width of both frames from the sides as well. Then, double-click on the letter T, select the side dot, and drag it towards the right to make it wider. Copy frame 3 and paste it beside the previous one. Now, double-click on the letter M, select all the back dots and move them towards the left side. Then, increase the width of the upper frame on the letter M side. Next, double-click on the letter T, select the left side dots and drag them towards the right. Now, increase the width of the bottom frame on the letter T side. Copy frame 4 and paste it beside the previous one. Now, adjust the width of the top and bottom frames just like this. Then, copy frame 5 and paste it beside the previous one. Now, set the height of both frames to 40 pixels just like this. Also, set the height of the letters M and T to 40 pixels as well. Arrange all 4 sources evenly inside the frame. Copy frame 6 and paste it beside the previous one. Set the frame width to 40 pixels. Select the image and set opacity to 0 pixel. Then double-click on the letters M and T and adjust them towards the right and left sides just like this. Copy frame 7 and paste it beside the previous one. Now, adjust the letters M and T just like this. The onboarding screen is already created, so let's place it beside these frames. Delete the top header from all screens. Keep a 100 pixel space between each frame. All right, now it's time to move on to the prototype. Now, let's set up the prototype. Connect frame 1 to frame 2, frame 2 to frame 3, and continue the same way up to frame 7. For each transition, set the after delay to 1 millisecond, animation to Smart Animate, curve to Custom Spring, and duration to 700 milliseconds. For the last screen, that is frame 8 to frame 9, set the after delay to 1 millisecond, animation to Smart Animate, curve to ease out, and duration to 300 milliseconds. And that's it. Our animated splash screen is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feedback, or recommendations, feel free to drop them in the comments below.